This project has been in the pipeline here at BWS for quite some years, about 5 years, more or less. I mean, we all know the situation in Key-Cocker. So while, I mean, they do enjoy potable water services from BWS, one of the major gaps that is affecting the island is the lack of a proper sanitation system, a wastewater system, no? So we have been working with the IDB in developing this project for Key-Cocker, and in the past 5 years, we've completed numerous studies, feasibility studies, and analysis of alternatives, and detailed designs for a wastewater system, a full system that not only treats but also collects wastewater from the different homes and businesses in Key-Cocker. So what the approval is about is regarding the loan component of this project, which is estimated at about $10 million US.